Video marketing tip number 1: market research. This is the first in a series of videos that I'm going to be contributing to my private group. I've been doing content marketing for many years now. I used to run several online article directories back in the day and produced articles for clients, both online and offline. Although my company still produces written content, the area that we've seen the most growth is in video marketing. Whether we are producing videos for local businesses here in Northern California, or video tutorials and reviews on YouTube, the single most important aspect of delivering content effectively is reaching the right demographics. Before you start writing or hitting the record button, you have to know who you're talking to as well as what they are interested in hearing. People will tune out the most amazing video productions if the information doesn't appeal to them. So the first step in developing your content has to be market research. Below this video is a list of 75 of my favorite online market research assets. I've included this to help you get started if you're new to video marketing. If you've got some experience behind you in the field, please feel free to include your own list to contribute to the conversation. If you want to join my private video marketing group, just connect with me on Facebook for an invite. There's no charge to join. Remember, sharing is caring.